Okay, so my camera may or may not die while I'm recording this video, but I went out with my friend yesterday. We went and we shopped, which is where this haul came from. The first place we went was actually Forever 21, but I'm going to show you what I got from Ross first because it's smaller. I saw this painting, or just a little canvas. It was $5.49, so I said, okay, first off, that's super cheap, so I'm going to buy that, and I'm going to have this up in my classroom next year. But I just really thought it was... I love what it says, and I just want the kids to do everything in love and to be loving towards one another. So that's going to be a major thing in my classroom. It's just always showing love to each other. Like, you don't have to like each other, but just be kind. Then we have Forever 21 Red, but it's basically Forever 21. It's supposed to be at a different price point. Like, they're supposed to have a slightly different selection than regular Forever 21. But it's not really that different. And I got a lot of stuff, surprisingly, because they had 50% off of clearance. Like an additional 50% off. Oh no, that was Five Below. Oops. I went to Five Below yesterday too, and I bought a charger. Because mine has been acting really off, and I literally had to duct tape it. And that's just not good, so I had to get rid of it. So the first thing I have here is this headband, which is really cute. I've been wanting one of these turban headbands forever. And I finally got one. My friend and I, we actually got matching headbands. And this headband was only $4.90. So it was really cute. And it's like, yeah. It's really cute. It looks cute. Like, here, yes. Okay, with these earrings. Okay. Anyway, I really love this. And I'm excited to wear this with my hair up in a bun. Really cute. The next thing I have are these pants, which are actually for my mom. They're just these Palazzo Pants. They have a rope tie. She called me while I was in the dressing room and I showed her what I was doing. She was like, what size are those pants? And so I told her, and so I got them for her. But anyway, they're adorable. They're a 0X. The next item is this pair of high-waisted, bell-bottom, striped pants. They're kind of jeans, but they're adorable. And I got them in a size 18. But these have a nice stretch to them. They also, like I said, they're high-waisted. They have belt loops, so I can wear them with a belt, and they won't fall off or anything like that. They have these pockets at the front. Yeah. And then these were also $8.50 because they were 50% off of $17. Then I have this top, which is in the 3X. I really could have gotten a 1 or 2X, but I didn't see the 1 or 2X, so I ended up just getting the 3X, and I can always take it in a little bit. But it's just the off-the-shoulder Bardo top, so fashion terms, but it's an off-the-shoulder top. And it's cropped. And it has a tie in the front. And these embroidered flowers, which are just adorable. It just screams summer to me, so I'm going to take this with me when I go to Texas this summer. The next top I have is this leopard, well, I think this one is cheetah print top. And it's cropped and it has a little tie on the side. This is actually also in a 3X. I couldn't find smaller sizes, so I just got the size that was there. I like the loose fit though, and this top was $6. The previous top, this one was, how much was this top? Oh gosh, where's the tag? It was $4.50. There we go. This was $4.50. But thank you so much for watching, and welcome to my videos during the summer. This is your first time here. My name is Tony, and I am a second grade teacher. Just stay tuned for more teaching videos, more fashion videos, just lifestyle vlogs, and all of that. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in another video. Have a great day, night, whatever time it is that you are. Just be blessed, and thanks again for watching. So see you later.